Hello everyone, I'm back with a haul, not a haul, well kind of like a haul. It's a purchase, and I bought this, a destash purchase from Niks Crafty Corner here on YouTube. So I will leave her link below. Please go over and visit and tell her Marlene from Michigan sent you, or Mars from Michigan. Geez, I don't even know my own name. And see what you can do with getting some of her stuff. She's got really good prices. So anyway, I got about one, and she put this kit together for me. 2 bags, and I got some more laying right here, ready to show you. So this is 2 kits, I would call it. And the first thing I wanted to show you is this real pretty hanky. Isn't that a pretty edge to that one? Brand new hanky. It's from, this one is from Japan. So that one's real nice. And then she sent this lace. You've all seen this. Isn't that pretty? It's a dark purple. Most of them I'm gonna leave in the bag, because you've seen a lot of it, and I'll take some out, like this real pretty blue. Love that trim. I don't want to keep you too long. And then these trims. This one's like a crochet trim. And this one's real pretty too. And I'll just dump some of these out. Whoops. And I'll take the bigger ones out because I think you'd like to see those, but isn't that pretty? And it's got a really nice sheen to it. So pretty. Can cut that one up. Scoot this over to the side a little bit. And then I've had to do this video once, so I hope it makes it through on this one. This one. I hate that when you get down to almost the very end and it cuts out on you. So I don't know what the problem was. This is why I don't like taking anything out of the bag. This is like a moss green crochet. I think that's gorgeous. Even though I don't like green. And I've got several of these bags. Very pretty lace. And then this one's a little bit shorter, a little thinner. And then this one. Let's see. This one, did I show you this one? That one's real pretty. And then these. Some of these are real common. It's a nice cream color. Another crochet trim. But it's all stuff that we need. I need it. It's a nice wide one. And she's very generous in her cuts. All of these are at least 1 yard long, if not longer. I'm going to put these in a bag because they're falling all over everything. I think I have a problem with laces. I love laces. And when I see a bargain, I'd like to get it. And then she's got these little things put in here. And I thought these were really pretty. Aren't those pretty? Beautiful dangle on that. I've got 2 of those pieces. Put those back together here. And then this one. Very pretty. Another little lace. This one. Oh, I better take that one out and show you. It's very pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? A little heart. So she was having a destash and I missed out on it, and So she was so nice to make me up one after the destash was over. I thought that was sweet of her. This one. And this one. This is blue and pink in here. That one. That one. And this one's kind of like an eyelet. I'll put these back in the bag later. And then the next bag has got some linen in it and more lace. I got this piece. Isn't that pretty? It's got that pretty sheen to it. I'll put these back in the bags later also. And I've got this one. And I think this one is a little different. Tiny bit different on the flower. And then these two pieces. I'm really close to my patio window, so I'm getting a good shine to my bags. Lavender. This piece. So gorgeous. It's kind of like a cream ecru color. I never know what to call these colors. Cream, ecru. This one. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. Able to make a lot out of that one. And these are like appliques. And they all look like this. Isn't that gorgeous? Can't wait to use those. And then she sent some of this gold. Isn't that gorgeous? See if I can hold it up this way. Very pretty, and you can't tell, but it is very sparkly. Gorgeous stuff. I will be using that on Christmas ornaments. And then these pieces, I love this one too. Isn't that gorgeous? Nice. 3 dangles on that I will take apart and use. And then she has sent some little crochet. The green one. This one. And a square. And several of these. It's about 6 of these, 6 to 8. And these are really pretty. These are embroidery pieces. And look at the trim on that. I'm going to make pockets out of these. I love to make pockets with those. And then this one, look at the handwork on that one. Gorgeous. Another pocket. And a little scrap that you can use to make a pocket with. And a piece of linen. See if the pattern on that is real pretty. And some more. It's another doily. Very pretty. And this doily, you can either cut it up, make a pocket, or use it like it is. Here's 3 pieces of nice blue trim. Very pretty. Love that blue. And we're almost done. And these are really pretty appliques. I think there's 4 of these. Very pretty. They're going right. This pack. I like to show the big laces because they are pretty. And got this one. It's got a very very high sheen to it also. It's too bad you can't see it because it is pretty, but I'm sure you all have laces that have that high sheen. And one more. This is very pretty too. If I can find the end. There we go. So thank you so much, Niks, for this wonderful destash that you've done. I really appreciate you taking the time and putting this together. I know how long it takes to put these kits together. It takes a long time. I've been putting gypsy kits together for some ladies, and it does take most of my day to go through everything. So thank you, everyone. Please follow her link below and go see what she's got. Talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.